Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Divisiveness into Unity mini practice. And I was inspired to create this mini practice because there's so much dividedness, divisiveness out there in the world right now. Everybody's taking one side or another, although there's some of us that are somewhere in the middle, of course, as well. And I'm just feeling how much inner strife, inner pain, inner conflict this divisiveness is creating in ourselves and in our communities, in our families, in the world. So that's why I wanted to create this mini practice today. So in this mini practice, I invite you to find two polarities, two sides to something in your life where you're feeling some form of inner conflict. Do I take this side or that side? Maybe it's about a choice. Do I choose this or do I choose that? So find something in your life where you are experiencing that. And then in the dance today, you are going to explore feeling into both of those sides or those two parts of a choice or a decision and seeing how you can find some acceptance in embracing both at the same time. And let me know how you enjoy this practice. Again, it is a practice, so I recommend coming back to it a few times. See how the practice changes. Or maybe there's a different topic, a different theme that you want to explore. And then let us know how the experience was for you in our online community. I look forward to hearing from you. Take a moment to come inside, to put your hands on your heart and connect with your intention for this practice. What are you going to explore? What are the two sides of a coin? Or the two polar opposites of something that you want to find more unification in, more unity? Take a moment to reflect on that. When you feel connected to that, you can simply bring your hands down by your sides. Open your eyes. You can keep them partially closed. Bring your attention inside. Just start by a little warm up of the body coming into your spine, your backbone. Offering it to the dance, your shoulders, elbows, wrists, hands, arms. Take some nice deep breaths and just feeling into your body, your hips. Welcome your hips to this dance. Ankles, feet, knees, legs. Letting the rest of the body just follow along. Each day your body's different, so accepting where you are at today. Taking a few more breaths and just feeling into your body. Shake off any tension you don't need. Just offer it to the earth. She will recycle it and return it as new energy. Okay, so on one side of the room, it doesn't matter which side it is, imagine a circle of light. In this circle of light, place that one side of the issue, the one side of your choice, into that circle. Fill it with that, whatever that is. And then when you're ready, stepping into that side of the circle, taking a moment to feel into that. How does it make you feel? that one side of the issue, that one side of the choice. And then just start to move from there. Allow how this side of the issue makes you feel to inform the movements that come. You don't have to move how the music is asking you to move. Move to express, to creatively express how this side of the issue makes you feel. Where do you feel it in your body? What is the quality of movement? And maybe there's multiple different feelings. Explore them all. Or if there's thoughts that come, explore how your thoughts about that side of the issue, how that informs your movement. Okay, take one more moment there. Really notice what movements are coming, how that feels in your body. And then step back into where you started the practice. This will be your neutral space. And see another circle on the other side of the room. Circle of light. And fill that circle of light with the other side of the issue, the other side of the choice, the other choice. Fill it with that. And then when you're ready, step into that. How does that feel? Take a moment to feel into that. Either how you feel about it or what you think about it, creatively express that in your movements. And again, you don't have to move with the music, trust your body. Notice the quality movements. Do you feel more expansive or more contracted? Take one more moment there. Okay, and then step out of that, come back to neutral, and see another circle right in front of you. This circle is going to be embracing both sides of the issues or both choices. Place them both in the circle. They're both going to now exist together. I know. How can they exist together? But let's just pretend they exist together. Fill it with that. And then when you're ready, step into it. Explore in your movement how these two, maybe even polar opposites, how you can find acceptance and embrace both. Maybe there's parts of the choice that make you feel more contracted. You experience that for a moment. And the other side maybe makes you feel more expansive. Or maybe both make you feel both at different moments. So I'm just going to give you a few moments here just to explore this in your movement. In your dancing, can you choose to see these sides of the issue from another's perspective. Or maybe use this dance to let go some of the emotions that you've been holding on to. And feeling divided. Okay, take a moment. Take a few deep breaths. That's the end of our practice today. Shake it out. And then just find a moment of stillness in whatever pose or posture feels right for you. Taking a moment of gratitude for whatever medicine you received, whatever gifts, whatever messages you received from this practice today. Just taking a moment to notice the dance, what happened in your practice. I highly encourage you to take some time to journal about this practice, write it down, and you can also use our online community to express how this practice was for you. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear how it was. Let us witness you in what came up today. And again, this is a practice you can come up back to over and over again. So thank you very much. Namaste.